science. So name itself, that is theory of computer science itself, means we are interested to study a theory behind how computer works. So computer is basically getting an input, it is processing that input, and it is generating an output. But that's not all. So we should study different machines, or the different types of machines which are dealing along with this, all the processing behind or working of that particular computer. So this subject is basically involving different machines. Out of this, the first will deal along with the first machine, that is called as a finite state machine. So finite state machine is a type of machine which is taking an input, it is processing that particular input, and it is generating output. Similarly, at the same time, this particular machine is getting input and it is moving to some another state. Means the machine is present in one of the state, it is getting an input and it is processing it, it is generating output, as well as at the same time it is moving from one state to another state. It may be a new state or it may be a same state. Okay. So this is a general introduction regarding to a finite state machine. So this machine is also dealing along with the five attributes, or this machine is working along with the five attributes, which are called, we'll call it as a five tuples. The first tuple is nothing but a set of input, which will be indicated by summation. Second attribute is a set of states, which will be indicated by Q. Third attribute is nothing but a transition function, that is del. And fourth attribute is a set of final state, that is called as F, and initial state, which will be indicated by a symbol Q0. This machine's function, state transition function, which will be given as Q into summation tends to Q, means a machine with a state getting input something and it is moving to some another state. So this same machine, that is finite state machine, can be divided into or can be classified into two types. The first type is a deterministic finite automata, and second type is nothing but non-deterministic finite automata. A deterministic finite automata, and as the name suggests, it means we can determine something. And non-deterministic finite automata, as the name suggests, we cannot determine things regarding to this automata. Okay. Now in detail we'll see how what we can determine and what we cannot determine. So firstly we'll see regarding to a deterministic finite automata. This is a machine which moves to only one state with a given input. Suppose we are providing one input to a particular machine which is in one of the state, it is moving to only one state. In case of the non-deterministic automata, this machine with a given input, it moves to more than one state. Okay, here it is moving to only single state, here it is moving to more than one state. Second thing, the tuples regarding to this deterministic finite automata and non-deterministic finite automatas are same as that of your normal finite state machine, that is Q, summation, Q0, final state, and transition. Then third difference is we cannot determine the next state to which this machine moves with a given input in case of deterministic finite automata. In non-deterministic finite automata, we cannot determine to how many states it moves with a given input. Okay, so this is the thing which we cannot determine. So it is called as a non-deterministic finite automata. In a deterministic finite automata, we can determine how many states it can move. Okay, or basically it is only moving to a single state. The next fourth difference is in terms of the transition function. That is, in a deterministic finite automata, Q into summation tends to Q, means state into input tends to a single state. In non-deterministic finite automata, state into input, it is moving to more than one state. This is a basic difference between the two automatas. So this is a general introduction regarding to what is finite state automata, what is deterministic finite automata, and what is non-deterministic finite automata. So we'll see into detail when we'll see certain problems regarding to the deterministic finite automata and non-deterministic finite automata. So this is all regarding to your first lecture. Okay. In the next lecture, we'll see regarding to the different problems associated with these automata machines. Okay. So thank you.